Stories by Mark Smith. On the morning of the 26th of December, the sun was shining and a warm breeze was blowing on Koh Phi Phi Don Island in Thailand. It was a welcome change from the wet, rainy weather in London. After breakfast, we went to the beach. My parents decided to sunbathe and I ran straight into the crystal clear water. Nothing could prepare me for what was about to happen next. Suddenly, I heard a loud roar. The water under my feet disappeared. I heard people screaming and pointing at the sea. "What's going on?" I was wondering as I turned to see a massive wave coming towards me. "Mark, run!" I heard my mum shout before the huge wave swallowed me. I was under the water. I was trying to breathe and reach the surface, but the force of the water just pushed me down. Then, out of nowhere, a hand grabbed me and pulled me up. I gasped for air and looked around. I was in a palm tree with a Thai man. I could see people in the distance running in panic. I felt like crying, but I was too shocked to even do that. The only thing I could do was to sit and watch, unable to move. The hours passed slowly. Suddenly, the Thai man started shouting and pointing to a helicopter. The pilot saw us and came to rescue us. Half an hour later, we were safe in the hills. There were a lot of people there. I was feeling lonely and lost when I heard my mum's voice say, "Mark, you're safe." I don't remember feeling more relieved in my life than at that moment. 2 days later, we left the island. We felt lucky to be alive, but we were sorry for the locals that lost their homes. It was a terrible experience.